Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to another vlog. Okay. In today's video, if you haven't seen my last two videos on gardening and all that stuff, go check it out. I'm gonna put the cards above. But if you have watched those videos, you know that I mentioned that I planted some potatoes and that I wanted to go ahead and dig those up. So in today's video, I'm gonna be digging those potatoes up to see what they became, because the tubes have died on them. So let's see what they did or didn't do, because like I said, the grubs got in the soil and kind of like poisoned the soil, so they really didn't do too well. But those were some that I planted after I planted the ones that was on this side, so they might not be ready, but I'm gonna go ahead and dump all of it out, because like I said, it's like grubs in here and it's causing fungus and stuff like that, I think. So we're gonna go ahead and be dumping this out and see what we can get out of the potatoes today. So you guys stay tuned. If you haven't already subscribe to the channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy this type of content. Y'all let me know if you would like for me to post content like this or not. But I like doing this type of content, so I'm gonna post it anyways. If you like it, watch it. If you don't, period. You just don't like it. Thank y'all so much for supporting me and watching my videos, liking it, and giving me y'all input and advice. So let's go ahead and get started with this video before I do those potatoes, because I'm waiting on my man's, because I'm trying to let him be a part of this, because I know he wants to. He been wanting to dig them potatoes up for so long, but I've been trying to wait till all of it dry out and give it a little time. But I'm gonna try to wait on him to come out before I dig those up. So I'm probably just gonna go drop a few seeds in the ground, because we got a lot of rain. So I'm probably gonna do that and then give him some time to come out. Okay? Y'all, can horses oh, my voice. Y'all, can horses eat bananas? I don't know. I might get this horse a piece of this banana, but I think they can. Okay. We'll see. Don't get scared. It's just a crazy dog bark. Oh, try it. Oh, you don't want it? Ooh. So you gonna make me waste my banana? You're making me waste my banana. It's a banana. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. It's bananas. Okay, I'm gonna leave it right here. And if you want it, you can eat it. If you don't, leave it. But it's there, okay? Alright. Okay, so this is another raised bed that we have, and it does not have anything in it. All this is weeds. Well, they do have the potatoes, but nothing is on this side. So I'm just gonna go ahead. Go ahead and pull all of this out, and then I'm gonna come through and put some seeds down. I'm probably gonna do some lettuce or something. And y'all, anytime you have weeds like this, anything you pulling up, start you a compost pile. Just use green leaves and brown, dried up dead leaves and old food that you have in your house. Dang, this weed is long. I don't know what this is. Do y'all know what type of plant this is? I don't know. But it's coming up. And this is some, I don't know, was it some greens I had planted out here? I think this was some greens or kale or something. But it's coming up. Let me plant. Gather all of this and put it in the compost pile. And then this is all it takes to start. Compost pile, y'all. And this is some horse manure, chicken manure, old food, eggs that the eggshells from the kitchen. So I'm gonna try to sit this phone here while I'm doing this. And y'all don't talk about my ashy, skinny legs. All right, so it's just too many flies. So I have the dirt broke up a little bit. So I'm just gonna go through my seeds and see what I want to plant. These are all the seeds that we have. All right, so let's see. I know I want to do some more lettuce, so I'm gonna do this butter crunch lettuce in a row, and some cabbage. And I'm also probably gonna do, I'm gonna do some of these Southern Giant curly mustard greens. And let's see. I'm probably gonna do some of these purple top turnips because they didn't. I think I planted some, and I don't know what happened. I think the bugs got to them, so I'm gonna redo those. And we really have to stay on top of the plants this time and get the bugs out because they will take over a garden. Do you hear me? We ain't got time for that. All this hard work and the chickens and the bugs and the grubs and the everything want to come and mess up things. But I ain't got time for that. So Southern Giant curly mustards, butter crunch lettuce, cabbage, and purple top turnips. That's what we're going to be planting today. Okay. All right. So let's get started, y'all. All right. So first I'm going to start off with the cabbage. And y'all know I'm just going to drop them in the ground. I'm not going to do a hole or anything. Just going to go down and drop me a few. And I'll cover them up once I finish putting everything in the ground. And next I'm gonna go with the purple top turnip. Y'all excuse my legs now. I know they ashy and my feet, but we gotta do what we gotta do.
Good morning.
Good morning. You slept good? All right, and next I have the Southern Giant Curly Mustard. And then lastly, we have the buttercream lettuce. I really hope this come up, y'all, because I've been wanting this lettuce to prosper, because I really want to eat some. I love a good salad. So let's pray that these seeds do right now. Okay, now I'm just gonna go through and cover everything up, and I am gonna keep y'all posted on this, on the growing process. So I'm just gonna go cover it up, and I'll be back. All right, so we got all of that planted. Praying that that comes up. I'm gonna put some water on it after this. So now we're just waiting to dig up the potatoes. So I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Please give it a big thumbs up. Thumbs up if you are. Even if you aren't, just give it a big thumbs up, okay? Watch the ads. And yeah, y'all stay tuned. We're fixing to get ready to do the potatoes, okay? All right, y'all. So it's finally the time to do the potatoes. So how you want to do it? You want to dig or you want to pour them out?
A little bit of both.
But as y'all can see,
I found a potato.
we got some.
Hold on, I found a potato. This is a potato.
Potatoes.
And this how big
Potato!
They could have been bigger than it. Hold on, let me focus this camera. Like, why it don't focus? And see, you see the grubs? That's the problem. Ugh, pisses me off. But I mean, they didn't get really big, but hey, that's just for the farm. But look at all the grubs, y'all. Like, they just took over. But let's see how many potatoes we get. Do I need to get some of them?
Oh!
Yeah.
The color.
When they're right, stop acting like that. Don't throw them. Toss them. Toss it.
I gotta find some more. Well,
Them right there, so tiny.
I found one.
Put it in the thing.
That big old nice one.
I found one.
Put them in it. Just drop them in the bowl when you find them. Oh, it's so wet.
Oh, it's so wet.
Alright, you ain't got to copy everything.
Yeah, I found a worm.
Pretty big, but I don't know
I like worms.
what this stuff is.
I like worms, Mom.
There's a lot of them right here.
Take that worm from me. A baby worm. It's so cute.
It's probably gonna be so many here that we miss. Just pull it out after this.
It did grow up. That's a dead grow up.
Little potato.
This side is them little bitty ones. I know they weren't ready. See? They even fell off the
That's a cat grow up.
off the ooh, it bust in your oh Lord, what was that? Was it potato or worm?
Worm.
What? Dang. That's just too much, man. Okay, so this how many we have so far.
I'm going to this one. I found one. I found one.
Put it in there.
I found the big one. I found one.
So if y'all have any potatoes that have started to grow eyes in your kitchen, just drop
Got
it in
it.
some dirt.
I
And
see.
get some
I see one. You covered.
what is it? Bone meal, add it to the soil, some fertilizer, and just throw them in the ground and let it grow. It's really easy to grow potatoes. This soil just got so many grubs and I don't know how. But I mean, they're not too bad. These you know, are the regular, I think, Idaho iced potatoes, so they could have got bigger than this, but like I said, everything died off. So
But the soil don't.
oh, that one got pretty nice
It just
in
got cooked.
size.
Look, I found one.
Mm-hmm.
And I find this one. You'll see this one. What's that little? What's that?
So after we dig, we're gonna dump it out and see what we can get.
Ugh. Poop. I found poop. It runs. Run in the poop. There you go. There you go. Got it. Caught on.
That's a big juicy one right there. Gone fishing.
We going fishing. They. Here's her. Oh! Oh! There you go.
I don't want it.
I can't hold it.
We'll put it back in the fire.